Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am getting ready with you because I am actually leaving my house for once. I needed to get ready and I was like, you know what, let me film for y'all a fresh spring makeup look using nothing new. So I literally just shopped my stash and yeah, I wanted a fresh spring look, something soft, something airy, pink and girly, and this is the look. So I hope you guys are excited. Grab your cafecito. I didn't even get time to finish mine, but I need to like run out the door. But cheers to you if you have a cafecito, and let's get started in today's makeup look. We're starting off with the eyes because the eyes again are going to be simple, fresh, very spring appropriate. You can use whatever palette you have, but for today I'm using the LA Girl Desert Glow Envy palette. This is such a beautiful, versatile, everyday or pop of color eyeshadow palette, and it's affordable, which is the best thing. So I'm going to start off with my first transitional shade, and I'm excuse me, I'm grabbing this caramel color. I've already prepped my list. I just used my concealer, which is my Estee Lauder. That's what I'm going to be using for today, and I'm going to take that into the crease and just blend that nice and quick. You can also use your favorite bronzer if you want to skip this step. You can totally do that. Just don't use eyeshadow and just use a bronzer and a blush. I'm taking this matte vanilla shade. It does have a little bit of a pink undertone, which is okay because we are using a little bit of a pink eyeshadow today. So I think that'll work out really nicely. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to take my blush. So I will probably be using this blush for today. This is the Revolution Beauty London Icon Blush in the shade Hot Pink Flag, which is really pretty and literally a dupe for the One Size cheeker, clap cheeker, whatever that is called. What I'm trying to say is I'm going to take the cream base here and I'm laying that down all over my lid, and this is going to act as like a little pre-base for our eyeshadow, and I'm just going to tap it like this all over the lid. Look at that. That is so pretty. It is a really pretty soft pink. It's a little lighter on like the lid versus on the pan. I'm going to take that really pretty soft pink. It truly is a soft pink. And I'm going to take that on a large fluffy brush. This one's my favorite from e.l.f. It is the e.l.f. wide tapered brush, and it literally fits in here perfect. So I'm going to take this and tap it all over the lid, and look at that. It gives you the perfect soft pink. Now I'm going to go back with my little brush and just diffuse the pink and the brown so it's nice and soft. And we're not getting too much craziness. This next step is optional, but I think it really elevates this look and it just takes it to another extra little level. I'm going to take this. This is the Color Scope Water Activated FX palette from JCAD. It is my obsession. I literally only use this black eyeliner. Anytime you see me with black eyeliner, it's this one because it stays on your eyes all freaking day and it's so easy to use. So all you need is water or setting spray. I'm going to use my Kelly Ray Surf Proof little setting mist, and I'm going to go in with the brown. We're not going in with black. Black is a little harsh. We want to look soft, fresh, feminine, young, all the opposite of what I am. And just like that, the eyes are done. I love brown when I'm doing like a soft look. For my lashes though, I think I'm going to go a little extra. I'm going to test these out. These are the Kiss Faux Mink Fur Collection. I've never seen these before, but I was at my local pop shelf, a few days ago, because our local pop shelf here is closing. If you guys have never heard of that store, it's pretty much like a, what can I describe? I don't know, but they have tons of home decor, super cute stuff at a reasonable price. But they also have like a beauty section. They have like a kit. So they have a little bit of everything. And I went in the other day because they're closing and they had like a bunch of stuff 50% off. And I saw these lashes, and you guys already know that I love me some good fluffy lashes. So these look really pretty, and I was like, you know what, let's test them out. So we're gonna see if these go good with today's look. If not, I might switch them out, but for now I'm gonna go with these. These are called Black Glamour. That's a odd name. That's cute, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave them on for now. I might switch them out. I feel like with this look, they're a little much. They kind of take away from the eyeshadow. Okay, let me switch them out. Let me find some better ones. I think I like these lashes better. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, but let's move on to the base. So for the skin, obviously I want something fresh, something clean, a little bit glowy, but without so much dewiness, because I can't do that, okay? I wish I could. Trust me, if I could do glowy, dewy skin all day, I would. So we're just going to keep it pretty simple. I'm going to use something that is lightweight and breathable, but has a little bit of luminosity. So I'm using the Superstay Maybelline foundation. Also do a tinted moisturizer if you wanted to do that. But I want something with a little more coverage since we are going out today. We're just going to be out and about all day, spending a little quality time as a family, maybe going out to dinner or something. I don't know. But so I want something that's going to be a little more full coverage, and I think this is exactly what I want. The shade I'm using is 220. Of course, for me, I always like to use a brush to buff in my foundation because this just gives me the coverage that I want without being too heavy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I forgot how amazing this foundation is. Let me know if you guys have tried it yet, because this foundation was like my favorite for the first month, and then as always I move on. Again, going a little more sheer with the bronzer, so I'm using my Nude Sticks Nudies Matte. This is in the shade Bondi Bay. Are you guys so excited for the spring? Oh my gosh, I feel like I always look forward to like the spring and the summer, and then once we get that Texas heat, I'm like, oh, no, I hate it because it gets so hot and humid, especially as a curly hair girly that has thick, coarse hair. Oh, the humidity is my worst enemy because my hair gets so poofy. Like right now, my hair is pretty poofy because of yesterday. It was a little bit humid and I was just outside. And yeah, it's like guaranteed that my hair is gonna poof up. But I do love that there's so much to do here. And I want to be able to like go on road trips a little bit more this year. So hopefully we can do that. I'm going to apply my blush. And I'm going to use some of these new Makeup Revolution blushes that I've had, but I just haven't really used. I'm going to start off with this palette, well, I'm going to use this palette. Again, this one is in the shade Hot Pink Flag. This is the same one that I used on my eyes. And I'm going to take that cream shade. And I'm just going to apply it here. I just really want to match the eyes. And I think matching your blush to your eyeshadow just really makes everything come together. So I'm going to take that on the highest points of my cheekbones. I just prefer a more like lifted look, especially for me that I'm you know, a little older, if you will. I'm going to take first my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer because I do like full coverage underneath my eyes. Just like that, and then I'm going to do a little here, here, there. And then I'm blending out everything with my sponge. I got asked, and I'm sorry guys, I meant to reply to you, I swear I did. This is the Jessup sponge. Like I said, I love it because of how it is curved and it fits underneath the eyes. I will link it down below, but I'm pretty sure you can find this on Amazon. So I'm just going to blend out the concealer. Everything for today is going to be soft, so I'm going back with my bronzer and just like softly applying that all around where I would normally bronze. And then for my blush, I decided to pull out the Conchita palette, which is such a beautiful, gorgeous pink tone palette. And I'm going to take this pink because I think this one will literally suit me the most. And I'm going to take that right here in the highest points and then just like blend that upwards. I love this little brush because it is pointed, so it allows me to get right underneath the eyes and just, you know, blend it right there. And then just using my brush and just like blending that together with the bronzer so it looks nice and diffused. I definitely have a blush blindness, y'all. Like, I wear too much blush, but YOLO! And then I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie, the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I like to mix pretty much all the shades. This is going to be a super natural, very like, not barely there because it is a little bright, but it gives you just like a glow from within versus like a highlight, if that makes sense. I don't know. I keep this highlight around for that exact same reason, that I love how natural it looks on the skin. Now for the lips, of course, I want to keep it fresh. So whenever I think of like spring fresh makeup, I think of a gloss. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to apply a gloss, which I've said this before, but I'm literally in my gloss era because I'm usually not a gloss girl, but I don't know. I've been really into them lately. For the lip liner, I'm going to go with this one from Morphe in the shade Fresh Fake, just because it has a little bit of that pinky undertone. And then I think I'm going to pair it with this Glam Light Strawberry Shortcake lipstick, just because it has some hint of being like a little pinkier. And then, of course, we're going to top it off with a gloss. I think I'm going to use this one from Juvia's Place. It is the Pink Velvet Lip Gloss. This is from their Pink Smoothie collection. And I'm taking that. Honestly, you might not even need like a lipstick with these because they are so glossy or so pigmented. You can just skip the lipstick and go straight with the gloss. I like that. It's very soft, very fresh. Look at the highlight. The skin looks juicy. I literally got to run out the door, so we're quickly going to just set the skin. Because I am going to be out and about and I know I'm going to get oily, I am going to use a mattifying spray, the One Size Until Dawn. Never lets me down, and that is what I'm using. This is a fresh spring makeup using nothing new. These are all products that I have in my makeup collection that are amazing. There's no need to always feel the need to buy new makeup. I know how tempting it is, but let's use what we have, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.